Welcome to Fridge Physics. This is an example of how to use one of Millie's master methods. And if you recall, there was a rhyme or a phrase that I've devised, and that is, rainy Mondays require changing shoes, colourful umbrellas. Now each of these letters require an action, and this is how you would find a solution to this question using this method. And the question is, how long does it take for a car travelling at 4 meters per second to travel a distance of 2 kilometers? So let's go through this process from the beginning. So the first letter is R, which is rainy, which stands for recall. So the first thing you need to do is to recall the equation. Well, it's the speed, distance, time equation. So speed equals distance divided by time. So we've recalled the equation. The next thing we need to do is put it into the magic triangle. So let's do that. So here's our triangle. This is the divide line, so we put the divide line here. D is above the divide line, so there it goes, distance. Then we're left with S times by T. So we've now put the equation into the magic triangle. R, this stands for rearrange. So let's look at the subject. What is it that we're trying to find out? Well, how long? So we're trying to find out the time. So here's the time. Let's write out the equation now where time is the subject. So time equals distance divided by speed. So we've rearranged our equation. There it is. Time equals distance divided by speed. The next thing we need to do is, do we need to change any units, which is C? Well, speed is in meters per second, so that's fine, but our distance is in kilometers, and we need to turn that into meters. So we know that there is 1,000 meters in a kilometer. So 2 kilometers will be equal to 2,000 meters. Okay, so we've now changed our unit. S, substitute. So we substitute our values into our equation. So time equals the distance, which is 2,000, divided by our speed. Well, our speed is 4 meters per second. That's in meters. C, calculate. So let's do the calculation. Well, 2,000 divided by 4 equals 500. And finally, U, what do we need to do? Millie?
Don't forget the units.
Yes, that's right. Don't forget the units. U is for units, and the unit for time is seconds. And there's your answer. So, after all that hard work, let's see what's in the fridge for Millie.
What's in the fridge? What's in the fridge?
Oh, let's see what is in the fridge then for Millie. What have we got? Looks quite full. Cherry bake. Looks like a cherry bake.